Claude Code is one of the most popular AI coding agents nowadays. In this tutorial, you will learn about Claude Code and how it can help you to make money. It is a must-have tool in your tool set for applications and software development. The difference between Claude AI and Claude Code is that the former is an AI model, whereas Claude Code is an AI coding agent or an AI harness that uses the Claude AI models. Claude Code can also be configured to use other models, especially the open weight models that are also becoming popular these days. An AI harness can be explained through an analogy of a horse and carriage system. The horse represents the AI model or the brain of the system, whereas the carriage represents the harness. For coding agents, the harness represents the capabilities of the coding agent. An efficient harness like Claude Code is an enormous resource in software engineering. There are a number of AI coding agents available. The proprietary ones include Claude Code and Cursor, etc. The open source ones include Codex, OpenCode, Qwen Code, and Zcode, etc. The importance of coding agents can be realized from the recent news that SpaceX announced a formal agreement to acquire the AI coding startup Cursor for $60 billion. Nobody will pay such an amount for a young startup unless they were convinced about the importance of coding agents and skills for the future of software industry. An AI harness is also called a coding agent or a coding assistant. Modern coding agents are quite sophisticated compared to their earlier counterparts that used to have code completion capabilities only. Modern coding agents can plan coding tasks, execute them, and can handle changes affecting the entire code base. Claude Code can be installed easily on your machine using the commands shown here. For installation details, you can refer to the official Claude documents or its website. After installation, the Claude Code can be verified through the version command. If it outputs a response like shown here, then you are good to go. Claude Code is not free to use. The starter plan costs $20 per month. The next plan costs $100 per month, and the top tier plan costs $200 per month. You can save on these monthly costs by utilizing the Claude Code with free open weight models. We will learn about it in the next tutorial. Now let's discuss the million-dollar question. How can you make money with Claude Code? Well, Claude Code can help you make money in both direct and indirect ways. Claude Code can help you create your own apps, and if you are good at it, you can even embark on a journey of solopreneurship. Coding is one of the main areas in which AI has performed very well. Indirectly, AI coding agent skills are in great demand, and it can help you in landing a good job. It can certainly help you in your current software engineering job by helping you increase your productivity. In the next tutorial, we will study how to use Claude Code for free and avoid the $20 subscription fee. We will study about the importance of open weight models and the available open source coding agents that you can use for free. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Bye for now.